Hey everybody, it's Delana. I just wanted to take you guys through this listing that I have in Old Town Scottsdale. It's just like a gem of a property. It's so pretty. It's about 3,654 square feet, so a really nice size, and it's in this little pocket called Granite Reef Estates. It's a little boutique neighborhood, 14 homes in this neighborhood, all range between probably $1.5 million and $2 million. This house is priced at $1,995,000, and it is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So we come here into the formal living, formal dining, and you can see the doors there to the left. That opens up to a really pretty patio out the front. And this house is situated on a little cul-de-sac, so not a lot of traffic. You can open up those doors and sit outside there really nicely and just not have a lot of traffic go by. It's just really cute property. Has turf in the front, turf in the back. They are selling it furnished if need be. These people are moving out of state, so if anybody's interested in the furniture, it fits there beautifully, and it looks like it's barely been touched. They don't have any kids. As you can tell, the white walls are still white. Everything is very pristine in this house. You can see that big long hallway going down the center of the house. It's just very grand. Every house in this neighborhood is pretty low ceilings, and this house has like 10-foot ceilings, and that turret there, it had about 15-foot ceilings. This is your view from the sink. I always love a good view from the sink. It's just, for me, it's essential. Don't want to be looking at a wall or anything like that. I just like to be able to sit at the sink because I spend a lot of time there, and just to look out and see everything that's going on. So here you have the beautiful sectional. You can fit a lot of people in this house comfortably. You have the big doors sliding to go towards outside. You have your double-sided fridge. You have your Viking range, so it has all the high-end appliances, quartz countertops, really pretty cabinetry. You have your little breakfast nook here, and again, those doors just open straight up, so you have a very indoor-outdoor feel. And that heads right out into your backyard, which is really pretty backyard. It's just smaller pool. You have your neighbors there to the back, but they really can't see into your backyard. The Bougainvillea is there. Just add color and just greenery, and it really blocks that house from the other side. Here's a better view of it. So you get really nice seating area outside. They have turf on the left and then turf on the right. So if you do have animals, it's, there's turf and grass for them to play on. But just a beautiful backyard, and that's the travertine. It's a tumbled travertine with a really nice pattern to it out in the back. This house was built by Ryland Homes, and every home in here is like a semi-custom, so they're not all the same. They're all kind of differentiate. Here we have your master, and you have the doors going to the outside. You have a little doggy door, which is so cute, but nice hardwood floors throughout. And you also have going into the master bathroom there to your right. So just wide open, nice big open door into the master bath. And then you have your doors going to the back outside. Beautiful property. Here we have the sink. So your master bathroom is actually pretty large for this side of the house. So there is 2 sinks. Only see one here, but there is 2 sinks. You have a full size bathtub, soaking tub. You have your walk-in shower. And then you also have his and her closets, which is very important. Again, for a smaller house, you don't always get the his and her closets, but they're pretty good closet sizes. So here we see the his and the hers. You have your separated sinks, which is also very nice. Nice tile flooring, and it's all white on the inside, which is really nice. It just keeps clean lines and just a very fresh look. This house is kind of like a split level, so you have your master on one side, and then you have your secondary bedrooms on the other side. So you have one bedroom here. They have a Jack and Jill in the middle, and then you have your other bedroom on the other side. They also have another guest suite that has a full ensuite attached to it, which is very convenient right off the garage. So you have people over, it's very easy to access. And also the laundry room here, and it's kind of like a walk-in pantry and a laundry room. It does have another pantry, but this is a good use. They have a coffee set up here. They have wine storage. The backyard is just spectacular. This is like an evening view. And if you look straight there through the back, you can see the fire pit. And the fire pit is like an in-ground fire pit. So just really convenient for this kind of weather. We spend a lot of time outside here in Arizona, especially in the winter time when it's a lot cooler. So we use those things like the fire pit and that just to enjoy the outdoor weather when it does get colder at night, but not always. in the summer, you definitely don't need the fire pit, but in the winter, it is a nice feature to have, and to be able to sit around the fire pit at night. And just a great little feature to this house. This house is very close to downtown Scottsdale, so Fashion Square, Old Town Scottsdale, all the bars, restaurants are probably within 2 miles of this house, so very convenient. From an Uber, you're talking like 5-minute Uber ride. Has this little grass patch here for the dogs running up and down, but overall, just a spectacular property. If you want any more information, please DM me. I'm new to this YouTube and just want to show you my properties and things that I have going on. So please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.